I gave myself one simple challenge. What's the fastest way to unlock better Temu rewards without wasting time on 10 different methods? So I stopped guessing. I stopped copying every working code on YouTube and I started timing everything. Method 1. Random coupon code. About 5 minutes later, I was still looking at pretty average offers, nothing exciting. Method 2. Browsing first and entering a code at checkout. Honestly, that was even slower. The rewards barely changed. Then I tried one last approach. Before I searched for anything, before I added a single product, I activated the code on the screen because after comparing dozens of random codes, this was the one that kept giving me the best overall results. And this time, I noticed the difference almost immediately. The app started loading bigger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus reward opportunities, and a much more active gift section. That's when I realized something. The fastest method isn't about clicking faster, it's about starting smarter. If you begin with the wrong code, you're already wasting time. From that day on, I stopped searching for new viral methods every week. I just start every Temu session the same way. Activate the code on the screen, then browse normally. Simple. I even repeated the comparison on another day just to make sure. Same account, different shopping session, same winner. The code on the screen consistently gave me better coupon bundles, stronger savings, and more gift opportunities than the random codes I tested. Now, let's keep this honest. Does this guarantee the exact same rewards for everyone? No. Temu promotions change, and every account can be different. But if your goal is finding the fastest method that's actually worth repeating, I'd skip the endless trial and error. Out of everything I tested, the code on the screen is the only one that earned a permanent spot in my routine. Don't spend the next 20 minutes testing random codes. Start with the code on your screen first. Then tell me how quickly your coupon bundles and gift offers started showing up.